Hello friends, in this video I will discuss about revision strategy and also I will provide you subject wise timetable for last 3 months of NEET PG. Do watch full video. Before starting about revision plan, there are some golden rules for revision that you must follow. They are: first, do not study anything new now. Whatever you have read, you need to revise. Do not change your source of reading. Just because your friends are reading or buying some new study materials, you don't need to buy the same. Whatever you have read in last 6 to 7 months has to be revised. Remember friends, revision is the key. Whatever read but not revised will be waste of time. So it's time not to do any new experiment now. And lastly, I would love to tell, do not give up. You have read well and you will get your dream rank. Just utilize your time carefully. Usually, NEET PG is conducted during first week of January. This time it is at 10th January 2021. So you have approximately 100 golden days with you. You have to complete 3 revision in these 100 days. I have divided 100 days into 50, 30 and 20. So you have to give 50% of the time for your first revision, and for second and third revision you have to increase your speed. Now let me give you subject wise timetable and days allotment. I have divided subjects into 3 categories: long, medium and short subjects. Long subjects includes medicine, surgery, obs and gynae, pharmacology, pathology and PSM. We will give 4 days to each subject, so total becomes 24 days. Subjects which can be considered as medium are anatomy, pediatrics, biochemistry, physiology, microbiology, ophthalmology and ENT. For some students, anatomy is lengthy subject, so I am keeping 3 or 4 days for anatomy. Next 4 subjects 3 days each, and for ophthalm and ENT you have to give 2 days each. So total becomes 20 days, considering 4 days for anatomy. And lastly, short subjects which are dermatology, anesthesiology, radiology, psychiatry, orthopedics and FMT. Give 1 day for each subject. So total is 6 days. Now if you consider all subjects, total days becomes 50 days. And this is the timetable for your first revision. Now what you have to do along with your revision? You have to review your bookmarked MCQs along with the particular subject. And also you have to review image based questions. Mark those points with highlighter or different color pen in your notes that you specifically need to see again during your second and third revision or before NEET exam. In these 50 days, you have to give at least 2 to 4 grand tests. Now the question is, where you will give grand tests in this timetable? Let me explain. Suppose you are good at some subjects. You can complete revision of that particular subject in less time. For example, you are good at pharmacology. You can complete it in 3.5 days and give that half day for 1 grand test. Likewise, you have to give at least 3 to 4 grand tests or mock tests in these 50 days. This is the timetable for you. You have to individualize it. Just take the screenshot and get the printout, or I'll give you link to download the image in the description below. Just fill the number of days and dates and take when you are done with a particular subject. On left there are 4 circles where GT is written. When you give grand test, just darken the circles. This timetable will help you to track your consistency, and also you will feel motivated when target is in front of you. Now this is the timetable for your second revision. You have to complete all 90 subjects in 30 days. And that's how I have divided each subject. I have combined few subjects in medium and short subject category. You can change according to your comfort and subject understanding. This is the timetable for third revision. There are only 20 days for third revision. You have to take same printout for second and third revision also. I have kept the half day extra because in last 20 days you may miss out some topics. You can complete that in extra half day. Remember friends, revision is only key to success. Your marks will be mirror image of what you have recalled in your exam, not how much you read full year. And recalling completely depends on revision. So utilize your time wisely. Friends, this was all about this video. Do watch our other videos on NEET PG series. Link will be there in the description below. Do like and subscribe our channel, and if you feel my video is helpful, share it among your friends. Thank you. Keep studying.